This is our 6x12 Harig hand feed surface grinder. It has a 6x12 Walker chuck. It's got tool steel hardened ways, and on this machine the newer version, which is the cable drive. So there's a cable that moves the table from left to right instead of the rack and pinion gear. It's got auto lube. The serial number is 14,850. It comes with 2 wheel hubs, a wrench, and a puller. Gonna bring it on for you now. Spindle's quiet. In and out. Cable drive. Up and down. This is our 612 Harig hand feed surface grinder. Thank you for watching our video.